to display match history in Honor of Kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily display your previous match history in Honor of Kings. First of all, open the Honor of Kings application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main home screen or the lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar or your profile icon. From your profile section that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the Match History button on the left-hand corner. You will be able to see your match history displayed on the screen. Go ahead and tap on the match history and you'll then be able to see your recent matches, results, heroes used and performance stats. So that is how it's super easily done. That's how you easily find your match history in Honor of Kings. Now you can easily review your gameplay progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.